open?
Yeah.
Okay, what one is that?
You probably do.
Oh,
Camel. Oh.
that's not a camel.
Oh.
We about to do a camel.
So that's the noise.
Open it quick. You don't have much time.
That's the noise the camel makes.
What sound does an elk make? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what one is that?
You probably do.
Oh,
Camel. Oh.
that's not a camel.
Oh.
We about to do a
So
camel.
that's the noise.
Open it quick. You don't have much time.
That's the noise the camel makes.
What sound does an elk make? Okay.
Ducks. Rat.
Wait, let me get
Oh, we
let me
gotta
get a chunk of that.
No.
And then kangaroo. Boing.
The kangaroo.
Boing. Boing.
Let's
No,
go.
kangaroos.
It's like
Kangaroos.
Oh, this one kind of smells like
Dookie.
Outback Steakhouse. No, like
Is it actually?
it smells like buffalo wild wings, but like
right.
what is
It actually
it?
does.
Guys, we
What
gotta try
that
it.
sounds.
You know how much time-
Okay, I
it's
really
like
wanna
Asian
try this
zing,
now.
like Asian zing.
I get
That's what
that.
it smells like.
I want to try this Asian zing. Hey yo, Asian zing camel.
You got an Asian camel?
Asian camel.
It smells like
It's probably the spices they added on, honestly. But this looks really tempting.
Okay.
Now I'll also.
You gotta do it. You're the man.
yeah, it really does smell like
Are you gonna do it?
Asian
do it.
zing.
Okay. Wait, what are you eating?
Can I go?
This is
Can we
the
go? Can we go?
Alright. Go. Oh, I like that.
Oh, it's spicy.
Shout out John. Are we gonna have a guest video? Are we gonna have a guest entrance?
You wanna try some camel?
We're making a YouTube video.
Here.
Well, I am.
Try some
up?
camel. Rip a piece off. What is this?
Shout out
It's camel.
Snack Chat. No
It's
channel.
really chewy.
Yeah.
What you think?
It's super chewy. I kinda like
Oh,
I
it.
got it from the state fair. Oh man, I actually like that one. I think I like that one the most so far.
Yeah.
And I had alligator. It was pretty solid.
Has a bit of spice to it. Wow.
A lot alligator.
Let me have the other piece.
What one did we open? Oh, sorry.
Camel is.
I wanna try the.
Camel.
You know, I wanna try the.
Boing.
I wanna the boing. Can you open this, Devin, please?
What?
I can't open them.
So
My
far,
hand's greasy now.
I think this one is probably.
Huh?
I don't know actually, but
They're not really too spicy, but some of them have like some spice to it.
I think that one was probably one of
The
more
camel,
spicy.
the camel was pretty good. Wait, we
can't-
forgot to rate them out of 10.
Okay.
Okay, wait. This
So-
one I'm gonna give out of 10. I'm gonna say a 6 because
Yeah.
it tasted like regular beef jerky.
I'm gonna give it a 6.5.
What do you give?
I can't open this.
What do you give
That one's a
the
6.5.
ostrich?
Ostrich? I'm saying a 9.
You like the regular?
Oh,
jerky?
the ostrich.
Yeah.
No, the ostrich is like a 5.
Oh.
Yeah. This one, camel though.
That one
Camel
is
was
an
probably
8.
8.5.
Solid 8.
Camel's
8.5, definitely.
All right, so it's a kangaroo.
No.
A what one?
Excuse me.
Don't say it again.
Oh, there is
Child.
There is not that kind of
I
jerky.
think
I
that's
can't
jerky.
open it. Can you
I
open?
think that's illegal,
I
but
genuinely can't open that.
No, it's actually
Whoa.
not. It's
Okay, hold
illegal
on.
to
This is
kill
actually
people.
tough.
It's not illegal to eat.
Oh, we're not Jeffrey Dahmer, okay? Like,
You just can't kill him.
You can't kill anybody. That's illegal.
isn't your break
It's
over
against the
now?
law.
why are we talking about this on camera?
What?
Your break's over now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is over.
No.
Yes, you can legally eat people, just not kill them.
Dang.
You
If
trying
you
to
want
know?
to eat your own arm, nobody's gonna.
Are we having
This is gonna be a
Yeah,
video.
yeah. Oh, what the heck?
I'm serious. Who's this video gonna?
Oh, this smells like
Snack
sweet.
Sweet, okay.
Oh, it's like
Nobody
red.
wants to watch this. This is fun.
Shut up,
What?
John.
Wow. Why is it red?
Look at that.
It's like no, ask me wrong.
Blood.
Damn.
Yeah, it's-
This is more greasy, but it looks good.
yeah. Oh, yeah. It is really good.
Come
See?
on.
Oh, stop.
Yeah, you get a piece. It just
What
happens.
is that?
I don't know what it is. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. The fuck?
No.
We gotta go back.
Just eat
Quick,
it.
quick, eat it.
All right,
Yeah.
quick. 3, 2, 1.
I already took a bite out.
Oh, it's good.
Where did you even get all this?
State fair.
What?
The state fair.
I don't like this one.
Or-
I like this one.
I don't like this one.
It tastes like
just one.
it tastes like smoked salmon.
Honestly,
Oh,
it's. I don't know.
no.
I think the camel's the best one, but this is not bad.
It tastes like smoked salmon. A lot like smoked salmon.
Never mind. It does remind me of that actually, surprisingly.
It really tastes like fish. It's like kind of weird.
Yeah.
Like
That's
salmon.
not-
Really?
Oh man, Devin not messing with the
That's not
kangaroo.
good.
Damn, we ate the whole kangaroo thing.
Kangaroo. Going crazy on the kangaroo.
That was
Alright.
really good.
That's it for now. Part
Well,
2 only.
yeah, we gotta do a part 2 because look at all the other ones.
After work.
I give the kangaroo a 2.
That one, I
Wait.
give that one a 9. I give that one
you
a
have to
9.
wait. You have to wait till 10. If you're-
Blah, 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 blah,
Are you
blah,
gonna be in
blah,
part two?
blah.